That's a hit. Do it again. That's a hit. There you go, 200 yards. That's one. That's right there. All right, folks, we are back at Jones Lens Hunting and Education Complex. Today, we are back with the Cz457 Varmint. And today, I'm going to try an SK rifle match. I don't remember if I did on this rifle. I probably did, but I want to make sure that my zero is back on before we start shooting some more of those fun targets. So we got, again, as you know, this is the Discovery Optics 5x40x56. First focal plane, mils, 0.20 of a mil per click. We got the scope mate and working on a workaround for the sound. And down there at 50 yards, we got a 2-inch sticky to find zero, and then two 1-inch stickies. Thank you for watching, and let's get shooting. All right, folks. Here we are at the 50 yards range with SK rifle match. We're going to be shooting that 2-inch sticky right there, trying to find zero. Let's see, we are safe is off, man. That's what I meant to say. And let's send the first round downrange. Again, this is SK rifle match. 50 yards. Alright, looks like that's a little high. We're going to shoot another one. Ooh, no, I'm glad you put that dial. I guess that's what cold for a shot. I don't know. It might have been. Bada bing, bada bing. We were shooting La Pua Center X last time. We were out. No, I ain't touching that dial, guys. All right, folks, stand by. We're gonna have 5 more rounds. 5 more rounds right here. Move on. Thank you for your patience. We are working on that volume on this camera. I mean, the video awaits the volume issue. The video quality, okay, that one was low. We'll be removing that wax, taking the wax out of Center X. Alright, alright. That was it. Stand by, folks. Let me see if I can clear this a little better. We cleared that view. There we go. I don't know, maybe it made it work. So here we go. We're gonna do 15 rounds on the first tiki on the right. Right there where I'm aiming. Right there. I'm shooting a little bit high and to the right. Trying to get a comfy position and hold my back steady. Sorry about that. Jumping around. Folks, I tell you what, hold on a second. Load around, that'll help. And hold that rear bag closed. And let me see, we got no rounds in the chamber. Yes, we do. Just filling in there. Now we still got, still got rounds in there. Let me fix my glasses. There we go. Oh my goodness. To fix my glasses. All right, folks. Look like that was the last round on that magazine. Sorry about that. So here we go. You need to rush it. Well, folks, you have it 5 rounds. Excuse me, 15 rounds. Yeah, that was the last 5 rounds of SK rifle match. Stand by as we go downrange and take a closer look. Here we are at the 50-yard lane, guys. This is when I was finding zero. That was the first shot. I guess cold bore, you call it. He went there and in and out, but hey, I didn't do anything. He just came right in. And then over here, guys, take a look at it. 15 shots of SK rifle match. I think Cz likes that rifle match. Well, there you have it, folks. If you haven't subscribed, come and join us and have fun with us. As always, have fun, be safe, and God bless. See you on the next one. And there's the win. Good timing.